Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Today we're starting a new tutorial, how to enter guest mode on Roku TV. Press Home. Scroll to Settings and press OK. Scroll to System and press OK. Scroll to Guest Mode and press OK. Select Enter Guest Mode and press OK. Enter your Roku PIN and select OK, then press OK. Note: if you have not already set your Roku PIN, you can do this online via Roku.com. Select Enter Guest Mode and press OK. Select Get Started and press OK. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.